Okay, so today I'm going to be replacing the starter on the 69 Bug. Hasn't been starting, honestly, for a while, almost a month maybe, and I've just been pushing it every time I drive it to start it, push down the street and pop the clutch. But today, I drove down to California Pacific J-Bugs in Oceanside and take that out, got this new Bosch starter. So, 150 bucks. Rip my fucking stacks, but it's all good. This will be worth pretty damn clean. So I'm gonna put that in and let's see how it goes. Here, I'll show you what happens when I try to start it. Okay. So, lights come on. Oh, delayed for that one. Radio's on. Everything works. I mean, lights work, horn. Lights. So, and when I try to start it, absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. I'm completely out of gas as well, but nothing happens. So, we're gonna be replacing the starter, and hopefully all will be good. Oh. Okay, so all I did so far is I jacked the car up, got the stand in there, and so where our starter is going to be that disgusting thing right there. It's pretty bad. My exhaust is looking a little bit rusty. Everything else looks pretty well. I mean, it's not a Volkswagen if it doesn't leak. But okay, so I'm gonna have to get off the bolt up top, which is one of the 4 engine bolts, and then bolt down there. Hopefully it's not too hard to take off. It looks pretty gross, and as you can see, my wiring isn't the most fantastic. But first thing I'm gonna want to do is I want to disconnect the battery, negative side of the battery, so that I don't short anything. So I'm gonna get down under here and disconnect that, and then start taking out the starter. Okay, so I disconnected the battery, and I'm going to get the first top bolt from this. So I'm gonna reach it from this side. It's gonna be a little hard to see. It's gonna be back there, right back there. Let's see if I can focus on it, right there. And I got my ratcheting wrench, 17mm of course. And I'm gonna try to get that out. Top and bottom bolt off. Now I need to disconnect the ignition wire. And, oh God, these are so bad. Let's see. I think this is gonna be a 13mm, right up here. Okay, I was finally able to loosen this nut enough where I can take it off with my finger. I was using a wrench for a while, but then I switched to a ratchet because it was super awkward angles. Okay, let's see. Get this nut off. Oh, almost dropped it. Okay. Then I'm gonna disconnect this electric connection and the one back here. Okay, there we go. And then my starter should just be able to come out. Let's see. Come on. Oh God, it's really freaking greasy. Gross. Oh. No, there's another bolt up there. Oh. Did I disconnect wrong? Oh no, I forgot. I have to get this bolt out. There we go. So now the starter should come out. put my phone down for this. Grab this with my other hand. Okay, so this is my old starter. I don't even want to touch it. Oh man, that's bad. You can see why it stopped working. Who knows when that was ever replaced. It's really old looking compared to, ooh, man, this one's so clean. I don't even feel bad about spending $150 on it now. 'Cause damn, this thing's clean. It's gonna look good in there. Okay, well basically all you gotta do is retrace your steps. I'm gonna put this back in, connect the bottom bolt, connect the top bolt, and connect the electrical connections. And then, so I'm gonna do that now, and let's hope this thing works. Okay, so that's what the new starter looks like when it's in. It looks much better than the old one. So what I'm gonna do now is put the, sorry I got that wet. I was cleaning up here and put my hand on it and it was all dirty. But I'm gonna put the wheel and tire back on, connect the battery. Don't forget to connect the battery because you'll be wondering why your car's not starting, but it's the battery. And then hopefully this thing's gonna start. So we have everything connected. Got the wheel back on, still need to torque it down, but I got the battery connected, so let's hope this thing starts. Oh, I really hope it does. Okay. Oh, whoa, that scared me. Fuck yeah. Dang, that thing sounds weird. Sounds crazy. Okay, well, that's how you place your starter. I stopped cranking it at first. It scared me. I've never heard that, or my starter sound like that, so that was cool. Well, got to torque this down, of course, but honestly, not a very hard project. Not that hard to do. Only took me about maybe an hour. Also because I was filming, so I was stopping to do different sections of the video. So honestly, you could probably do this in about 45 minutes to an hour. You can do it by yourself. I did it all by myself. Didn't need any help. Awesome. Well, thanks for watching this video, guys. Good luck replacing your starter.